Hey there, thanks for watching 2014-15 Prizm Basketball NBA Box Break. Before we get started, let's talk about www.valleysportscards.com. There's now shop.valleysportscards.com. You can shop from home, pay with your credit card, have things shipped to you. Twitter, @CardboardLord. Instagram, Valley Sports Cards of Tarzana, with underscores between every word. Facebook, Valley Sports Cards Memorabilia and Picture Framing. Go to the page, like the page, print the 10% off coupon, use it every time you come in on one item. And that store is located at 19640 Ventura Boulevard, City of Tarzana, 818-705-2255. As always, 2 players on the same card. We will go to random.org to settle the difference. All right, here we go. Prizm Jumbo. Always fun. I think I've seen on average about 3 autos per box, but you never know. Because Prizm never tells you. There you go. Alright, this is always fun. Here we go. Alright. Johnson, Stevenson, just traded today, J.R. Smith, Archie Goodwin, Damon Stoudemire, Jay Reddick, Shabazz Napier, rookie, Chris Paul, blue and green refractor, beautiful card. Rookie. Hey, there you go, LeBron James, Panini pink, I believe that is, refractor, not numbered, nope. But beautiful card. And I know someone picked. There's Julius Randle rookie. That and Mr. Pippen, our first pack. Nice pack. Ooh, do I see a gold? Ooh, I think I see a gold. Gold are numbered out of 10. Thaddeus Young, Nene, Jeff Green, Varejao, Hardaway, Rose. Green, Karl Malone, green, gold, numbered out of 10, 4 of 10. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful card. Karl Malone, Utah Jazz. Beautiful card. All right, John Wall. Mark Smart, orange, numbered out of 139. Got Mr. Westbrook. Wiggins, rookie, Andrew Wiggins, Yao, Adams, and Paul Silas. All right. Number out of 10 is awesome. I remember a day when those old gold cards went for hundreds of dollars. LeBron, there he is again. Brandon Jennings, David Lee, Thiago Splitter, Moses Malone. And there you go, Kurt Rambis, red and yellow refractor. Mark Aguirre. That's a nice looking card. Old Mav colors. And Tony Parker, pink Panini refractor. And you got some rookies and some veterans to finish out the pack. No autographs yet. Gold, numbered out of 10, is our big hit so far. Alright, here we go. Oh, I see something blue in there. There's Giannis. Won't even try his last name. That guy's awesome. Fareed, Lopez, Knight, Pierce, Monroe, Elgin, Sean Kemp, and George Mikan, blue. Numbered out of 49, Lakers. Boy, that's a beautiful card. Their first great centers in the NBA. You got Derrick Rose, pink, not numbered. Schrempf, and Maravich and Frazier. Still no autographs. Got some really nice inserts. Nick, Young, Roy Hibbert, James Harden, Bradley Beal, Baron Davis, Golden State, and so many pictures of him with the Warriors, Bosch, Oscar, LJ, Prizm, not numbered, Jeff Hornacek, green and blue, and oh, that was another gold one. I got all excited there for a second. Tyler Ennis, rookie, and behind it, a Tyler Ennis autograph, blue, numbered out of 249, back-to-back Tyler Ennis, Phoenix Suns. Those are nice cards. There you go. There's our first autograph. Artis Gilmore, Robinson, Little Penny, and him. All right, our second stack here. Amare, Pass, Rubio, Calderon, Matthews, Tyreek, Wilkins, Kenny Smith, Jerry Sloan, former coach, former player. Another blue one. It looks like we got another, and that's what's that numbered out of 49. And looks like we got Trey Burke autograph. I got number 249. Trey Burke, Utah Jazz. We got two Jazz hits so far. Does anyone pick Utah? Yep. There you go. Congratulations. All right. Finish out the pack. Got the Admiral. Got the Worm. We got Havlicek. All right. So we got one auto. Trey Burke, Utah Jazz. At one time was a pretty high price. I think his value has gone down a bit in time, recent time. There we go. Nari, Horford, Cantor, Ross, Mike Conley, Divac, Chambers. Oh, that's a Prizm. Blue and green, Tom Chambers. Did we get him again? Dave Cowens, Hall of Famer. Yeah, Kobe Bryant, Prizm, Representatives. It's a nice card, not number, but nice card. And the rest of the pack. Not want to open. All right, Collison, Gordon, Jefferson, Chalmers, Johnson, Jones, Malone, Anthony Davis, and Zoe, blue and green refractor, and an orange of Jared Salinger, number 139, and Fireworks. That's a 1 per box, I believe. Derrick Rose, McHale, Smart, Carr, Price to finish off the pack. Still just one auto, 2 more packs left. Or
There's 2 autographs.
thought we opened 1 autograph.
2.
Oh, 2, you're right. I forgot about Tyler Ennis. 2 autographs. Thank you very much. All right. Kyle Lowry, Jamal Crawford, Randy Foye, Kawhi Leonard, Bill Russell, Adrian Dantley, Allen Iverson, George Mikan, Joe Dumars, Pau Gasol, James Young, rookie, Hairston, Jerry West, Ralph. And we got 1 more pack. Kyrie. I think I see an autograph in there. Eric Bledsoe, Blake Griffin, Jordan Hill, James, Big Game James, Worthy, Kobe, that 3 Lakers in a row, Stockton, Thomas, here we go, Bill Walton, Clay Thompson, orange refractor, numbered, and oh my God, another Dwayne Wade autograph. Look at that. Oh my God, numbered 115 out of 249. Oh my God, there you go, Dwayne Wade. Wow, waited till the very end, finished with a bang. All right, well, there you go. 2014-15. Oh, let's finish off the pack. We got McGarry, Young, Cheeks, and Early to finish off the pack off. But wow, what an ending. There you go, Dwayne Wade autograph. 2014-15 Prizm Jumbo Box Break, brought to you by Valley Sports Cards. Our website, www.valleysportscards.com. Shop.valleysportscards is where you go if you want to buy some stuff. Use your credit card, have it shipped to you. Twitter @CardboardLord. Instagram Valley Sports Cards of Tarzana with underscores between every word. Facebook Valley Sports Cards memorabilia and picture framing. Like the page, print the 10% off coupon, bring it in, use it on any one item every single time you come into the store, which is located 19640 Ventura Boulevard in the beautiful city of Tarzana, California. 818-705-2255 are the numbers. And thanks for watching. See you next time.